Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can remove a notification virus like a Tabula ad or other like that softwares. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you try to visit inside or just on your home screen, that means you have a notification virus, and we can try to remove it without antivirus app. We have to start from the opening the settings, then go to the apps, then look on this app list that you have any strange app or any app that you have not installed by yourself, and if you see something unwanted, just open it and click on install. Make it with every app that you see. Then go to the next step. Go to your web browser on the app list. Choose the storage and tap on the manage storage. Then tap on clear all data and configure it by OK. And now your phone should be free from the notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download an antivirus app like Avast. You can of course choose the other app, but remember to choose the trusted company. So in the Avast case, we have to launch it, close this ad, close this again, and tap continue as free. Now tap on the start scan and allow app permissions to files. Then go back to the antivirus app and choose your scan type. Regular scan is fast, deep scan take more time. So I will use regular scan, and after the scanning process, the viruses and notification software will be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.